Hi, this is Joe from Motion Pro, and today we're going to talk about one of our many time-saving tools for use on your Harley-Davidson motorcycle, our clutch spring compression tool. Whether you're replacing just the clutch plates or rebuilding the entire primary, this tool will help make that job a snap. Designed to replace OEM part number 38515A, it is intended for use on 90 to 97 Big Twins and 91 and later Sportsters. For your specific model, please feel free to go to motionpro.com and use the search by vehicle function to see it on your specific model. The tool includes two separate push rods, one for use on the Big Twin applications and one for use in Sportsters and Buells. Little hint, the Sportster Buell rod is hollow. Please make sure to refer to your service manual for the specifics on your machine. With the push bolt fully seated, you can now install the body of the tool. With the body of the tool installed, you can now compress the spring and remove the circlip. The Motion Pro Clutch Spring Compression Tool makes compressing the diaphragm spring quick, easy, and safe, allowing for a quick removal of the circlip. The Motion Pro Clutch Spring Compression Tool is available online or at dealers nationwide. Thanks for watching.